Hello y'all, hope everybody's doing good. So I took a coffee can lid and I cut a little section out of it, and I'm going to puddle pour black and white into the lid and then pour it under the canvas like a dustpan pour.
Making everything look just like it should at J.H.A.
I hope you all enjoy the video. First time doing a voiceover, so bear with me because I'm sure I'm going to hit some snags here and there. So I will pop in and out from time to time.
And so are all of you. Does this come true? These few days go by so fast. I wish I could somehow make them last.
One thing I like about these lids, they're flexible and they're smooth. The paint rolls off it just like it would for a dustpan pour, and it's a lot more maneuverable. Yeah, you can fold them and get them to any kind of point you want.
Does this come true? Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true, Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah! Ooh, yeah.
So I painted the canvas with fluorescent orange by Liquitex prior, let it dry for a few hours. And I just wanted the effect to lay on top of the paint. I didn't want them to blend. And I'm using Amsterdam Titanium White and Lamp Black by Liquitex Basics.
And so are you, so are you, yeah. Does this come true?
Yeah, I just realized I didn't have my lights on. So, let's shine some light on the subject.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is
Spinning
to
this
ride
out,
in a
I did not
one-horse
spin it
open
very hard. I did light spins, but I put this in like 8 times speed. Otherwise, would have been here a while.
To ride in the one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in the one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails.
I was very happy with the outcome of this. So much that I'm going to do another one with a yellow base.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle
I hope you all enjoyed the video. And I want to say thank you so much to everybody. I hit 100 subscribers, and for me, that's a huge milestone. I did not think I would even get to 100. So I really appreciate all of you so much. Thank you.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed as light.